Alright, hey guys, what's up? So, it's Saturday today. Alas 3 ng hapon. Seatbelt kasi tutunog pag reach yung 20. So, yun, punta tayo ng Toyota Calamba because kailangan ko daw magbayad ng 2,000.
Sabi, tinatanong ko.
So, I'm not sure if yun na ba yung kabuuan para dun sa ating windshield serye. S-Lex bato-bato. So, yan, magkakaroon tayo ng part 2. But yan, babayaran natin ngayon para ma-order daw yung parts. So, ang catch dito is, pag nabayaran natin yung parts pag in-order, is it available sa Toyota Santa Rosa, which is sa planta, or manggagaling pa ba ito overseas? Okay? So, of course, wala naman, ang problema lang dyan, mas matagal pag overseas. Alright, let's go!
Toyota Calamba, Laguna.
Hey guys, what's up? Live here at Toyota Calamba. So, punta tayo para sa payment nung insurance. Alright? So, ayan. Alright, so there you have it guys. 2K, nagbayad tayo ng participation pay, and of course, yung insurance natin is accredited by Toyota Calamba. It's from the outside, so medyo matagal yung processing, but overall, let's wait and see. Kasi nga, yung parts i-order na and hopefully available sa planta. If it's available sa planta, within 3 days dadating and makakaptan na. Alright, on to the next one. Bye!